Hey everyone, welcome back to Artificially Inked. Today we're kicking off a brand new content series designed to help game developers on their journey. We're always looking for new ways to bring value to our community, and what better way to do that than by shining a spotlight on high-quality, free assets that can supercharge your projects. This time, we're diving into the limited-time free assets available on the FAB Marketplace as of February 11th. These resources are only free until February 25th, so time is limited. Make sure to grab them before they're gone. Now, let's jump in and break down what's up for grabs this month. First up, we have the Valley of Guldor, an incredibly detailed ruined castle environment. This pack comes with 86 unique meshes, featuring modular structures, manually adjusted LODs, collision meshes, and high-resolution 4K textures. You even get foliage, particle effects, and a simple wind system to bring your scene to life. Beyond the technical details, the Valley of Guldor is a perfect asset for anyone looking to create immersive medieval ruins, ancient battlegrounds, or mystical fantasy settings. The modular design allows for endless customization, so whether you're designing a hidden fortress in the mountains or a decayed kingdom long forgotten, this pack provides the building blocks to bring your vision to life. The included particle effects and detailed materials make it easy to achieve a high-quality look without spending hours tweaking assets. Normally, this pack would run you $70 for a personal license and $140 for a professional one, but right now, it's completely free. If you're working on a fantasy RPG, medieval world, or even an open-world adventure, this pack is a gold mine. Next, we have Ninja Input, a must-have plugin that simplifies handling player input with Unreal Engine's enhanced input system. It provides ready-to-use input handlers for essential mechanics like movement, jumping, and crouching, and even integrates with the gameplay ability system. This tool is especially useful for developers who want to streamline their workflow and avoid the hassle of manually setting up complex input behaviors. Whether you're working with keyboard and mouse or gamepad controls, Ninja Input dynamically detects input types and ensures seamless transitions between them. The animation-based input buffer is particularly useful for fast-pacing action games, allowing players to cue actions and execute them smoothly with clear documentation and built-in tutorials. Even those new to Unreal Engine can get up and running quickly. With built-in animation-based input buffering and automatic input type detection, this tool can seriously speed up your development process. It's clean, well-documented, and comes with official tutorials to help you get started. Normally priced at $50 for personal use and $75 for professional use, this tool is free for a limited time. So don't miss out. If you're a game developer or content creator looking to make high-quality promotional videos for your projects, InVideo AI can save you tons of time. It helps generate engaging video content in just minutes with AI-powered editing, templates, and automation. Whether you're making trailers, devlogs, or social media clips, InVideo AI makes it easier than ever. Check out our affiliate link in the description to start using it today. Last but not least, we have the Post-Apocalyptic Urban City, a massive asset pack perfect for dystopian, survival, or zombie-themed games. It features 248 unique meshes, high-detail props, and modular assets, allowing you to customize your world with interior and exterior environments. What makes this pack stand out is its attention to detail. The level of environmental storytelling built into the assets means you can create deeply immersive, lived-in spaces that tell a story even before you place a single NPC. Whether you need dilapidated buildings for a post-war setting, abandoned streets for a horror survival game, or a cyberpunk-inspired urban decay, these assets give you the flexibility to craft stunning worlds. With assets like graffiti decals, broken-down vehicles, and worn-down city infrastructure, you can create an eerie, desolate environment with ease. With both night and day lighting setups, graffiti decals, dust particles, and well-optimized lighting, this pack is a game-changer for anyone looking to create immersive, war-torn cityscapes. Typically priced at $60, you can snag this one for free until February 25th. That wraps up this round of free assets on the FAB Marketplace. We're excited to expand our content to help game developers access high-quality resources without breaking the bank. If you like this kind of content, let us know in the comments, and we'll keep it coming. Which one of these assets are you most excited about? Let us know below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, if you love what we do here on the channel, check out our Redbubble store for some exclusive merch. We've got some awesome designs inspired by our videos. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.